In today's video, I'm going to reveal the 7 best programming skills to learn in 2024. These are the skills that will make you stand out from the crowd, land your dream job, and create amazing software solutions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, you will find something useful and exciting in this video. So, stay tuned until the end, because I have a special bonus for you. And if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. The first skill you need to learn in 2024 is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the ability to use, develop and manage cloud-based platforms such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud Platform. Cloud computing is becoming more and more important as more and more businesses are moving their operations to the cloud. Cloud architects, cloud developers and cloud administrators are in high demand. To learn cloud computing, you can familiarize yourself with the common cloud platforms and take online courses that teach you the basics and best practices of cloud computing. The second skill you should learn in 2024 is artificial intelligence or AI. AI is the development and application of AI-powered solutions that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as natural language processing, machine learning, digital twins, and more. AI is revolutionizing various industries and domains and creating new opportunities and challenges. It became really huge during the last year. AI developers, AI analysts, and AI ethicists are needed to design, implement and monitor intelligent systems. To learn AI, you should first familiarize yourself with the basic concepts and algorithms of machine learning and deep learning. You can also use Python as your programming language, as it offers many useful libraries for AI, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch or scikit-learn. You can also take online courses that teach you the theory and practice of AI. The third skill you should consider learning in 2024 is low-code or no-code, or LCNC. LCNC has been around for some years now and is kind of an on-off trend. I'm not sure it will break through this year, but it is just a matter of time, and someday it will. LCNC is the use of platforms and tools that allow you to create software applications faster and easier without writing or knowing much code. Low-code, no-code platforms and tools such as Microsoft Power Apps, Google AppSheet or Bubble enable you to create user-friendly and customizable solutions with drag-and-drop interfaces, pre-built templates and visual editors. LCNC developers, designers and consultants are in demand to deliver solutions that meet the needs and expectations of the users. To learn LCNC, you can familiarize yourself with the different LCNC platforms and tools and try them out. Also, most of these platforms come with good tutorials that you can follow. The fourth skill you need to learn in 2024 is Python or JavaScript. These two programming languages are expected to remain the most popular and versatile languages for software developers, as they cover a wide range of use cases, from web development to data analysis to AI. Python and JavaScript developers, engineers and testers are in demand to create high-quality and high-performance software applications. To learn Python and JavaScript, you should first familiarize yourself with the basics and syntax of these languages. You can also take online courses that teach you the fundamentals and advanced topics of Python and JavaScript. For example, on Udemy there are some very popular courses. If you want me to advise on which ones to take, let me know in the comments. Also, it helps a lot if you create your own projects to practice and improve your skills. The fifth skill you need to learn in 2024 is Progressive Web Apps or PWAs. PWAs are a type of web application that combine the benefits of native apps and websites by providing a fast, reliable and engaging user experience that works regardless of the internet connection. PWAs are modern and mobile-friendly web applications that can be installed on the home screen, send push notifications, and access device features. PWA developers, designers, and optimizers are needed to create these web applications. To learn PWAs, you should first familiarize yourself with the basics of web development, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You should also learn how to use service workers, web app manifest, and responsive design to optimize your web applications. The sixth skill you should learn in 2024 is edge computing. Edge computing is the technology that enables data and applications to be processed closer to the devices and users that need them, rather than storing them on central servers. Edge computing reduces latency, improves security, and saves bandwidth. Edge computing developers, architects, and engineers are needed to develop these decentralized and distributed systems. To learn edge computing, you should first familiarize yourself with the basic concepts and benefits of edge computing. You should also learn how to use edge devices, edge nodes, and edge networks to deploy and manage your applications. The seventh skill you need to learn in 2024 is sustainability in software development. Sustainability in software development is the consideration of the environmental, social, and economic impacts of software products and processes. Software development has a significant impact on energy consumption, CO2 emissions, and society. This is a trend that is new to the table, and so you have the opportunity to take part in shaping its future. Sustainable software developers, consultants, and managers are needed to deliver eco-friendly, ethical, and inclusive software solutions. To learn sustainability in software development, you should first familiarize yourself with the impacts of software products and processes. You should also learn how to apply green software engineering, ethical software engineering, and inclusive software engineering to create software solutions that are good for the planet and the people. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of the video. Here comes the promised bonus tip for you. If you want to learn more about trends and opportunities in software development, you can join a developer conference. For example, the We Are Developers World Congress that will take place in Berlin, Germany in July 2024. The We Are Developers World Congress is said to be the world's leading event for developers. There you can network with experts and peers, learn from workshops, and discover the latest innovations. I will also be there and already have purchased my ticket. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me which skill you're most excited to learn in 2024. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Good luck on your journey to become a more professional software developer, and I'll see you in the next video.